G'day everyone. Today we're going to be looking at ChatGPT's new feature for PC, voice mode. Now this has been around a while for phones and tablets and things, but it is new to PC. So we're going to test it out. Just a disclaimer, I will be pausing this video while it gives us a response due to the fact that obviously we're just listening to it and there's nothing to see other than here. And I'm sure most people don't want to sit here for 5 minutes looking at a blank screen as they're doing right now. So let's go. Hi chat, what temperature do I need to cook a chicken to?
Hey, for chicken, you'll want to cook it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's safe to eat.
Okay, now can you suggest some seasonings we should put on a roast chicken?
Absolutely. For a roasted chicken, a simple yet flavorful seasoning blend works wonders. Try a mix of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a bit of dried thyme or rosemary. Rub it all over.
Does sound good. That's kind of what I would use. Okay, now give me a recipe that I would use to cook this chicken. I would like a full recipe outline.
Here's a simple and tasty roasted chicken recipe for you. Roasted chicken with herbs and spices. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon
So now all we
black
have to do is hit the cross to end. And what you will get here is the conversation. Emma. I don't know who Emma is, but hey. So chicken, 165F, correct. There's our dry rub. And here's the actual ingredient list. So there you go. You can literally just talk to chat as you go along with your conversation. Your conversation is all there. It's just you've got to hit the X mark and it'll take you to the written words. So let's try something different. Hi ChatGPT, I would like to know how to create the world's most engaging blog post. I want you to factor in everything as a professional copywriter.
Creating the world's most engaging blog post involves a mix of creativity, strategy, and audience understanding. Here's a guide to help you craft an irresistible post. Your headline should be things to make
So
the
chat's
content.
still talking. We're going to hit the end button and just see we've got a chicken recipe. Here we go. So just what it's covered so far, it has taken obviously a little bit longer talk-wise than just to create the context there. But if you're on the go, if you're doing something, I mean, if I'm in the kitchen, it'd be great to give it these commands and just listen as I work. Next we can just go, hi chat, I want to increase my productivity at work. How would I go about this?
Increasing productivity at work can be achieved with a few key strategies. Prioritize tasks. Start your day by listing tasks and prioritizing them. Tackle the most important or challenging ones first. Time management. Use techniques like the...
Sorry, I had to end that there because I'm a big believer in the one thing. The one thing is you put all your attention into your main focus, remove all other distractions, focus on the one thing. Let's see if ChatGPT knows. ChatGPT, do you understand the concept of the one thing?
Yes. The one thing is a concept from the book by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. It emphasizes focusing on the single most important task that will make everything else easier or unnecessary. By identifying and committing to this one thing, you can cut through clutter and focus on what truly drives success.
100% agree. That's unreal. So that is something I live by personally. But you can see here that you can just have a discussion now with chat. You don't need to worry about scripting. So if you're just asking for, Christmas is nearly here. So let's try this one. Hi chat, I need to buy a Christmas gift for my wife. She is an outdoor adventurer. She likes to hike. She also loves gardening. She is now trying to grow her own vegetables in the garden. Can you suggest some Christmas gifts for her?
Here are some thoughtful
It's
Christmas
actually
gift
updated.
ideas
I'm
for
not
your
using
wife.
my voice.
Hiking gear. Looks like I got cut off. Let me continue. 1. Hiking gear,
Sorry.
a quality day pack, a hydration reservoir, or a set of trekking poles could be great for her adventures. Gardening tools, high-quality pruners, a gardening tool set, or a personalized
So there you go.
gardening
You
apron.
can see that you don't need to type. You can just be on the go. Well, this is PC, but I mean, this obviously applies to your phones as well. But you no longer need to type. You can just be talking to chat, and hopefully it shuts up long enough for you to be able to just talk. And you can ask it random things, but what it won't do is up-to-date things. ChatGPT, can you please tell me the temperature in Brisbane at the moment?
I can't provide real-time information, including current weather updates. For the latest weather in Brisbane, it's best to check a weather website or app.
What are you up to date to? What month and year are you up to date to?
I'm up to date until October 2023.
Let's
Anything
see.
beyond that, I won't have information on.
So you don't know who won the presidential election between Biden and Donald Trump?
That's correct. I don't have information on the outcome of the 2000. Donald J. Trump is the projected winner of the 2024 U.S. presidential election,
Okay.
according to.
Too easy. So as you can see, all we need to do is talk, and it can pretty much answer anything we want as long as it's not up-to-date information. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just a bit of a random one showing you the new feature on PC. Yeah, have a good night, afternoon, day, morning, wherever you are, whatever time it is. We'll catch you in the next video.